Product preview of seasonal math puzzles for addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this is a mega packet. It has 540 different math puzzles that are fall, spring, and winter themed. So there's a variety of ones that you can mix up in and out, and I love these puzzles for centers. They're a little bit time consuming, and kids really have to work on matching the answers with the question, and then I actually, when they're done, have them write them out. So this is great, a hands-on way to work on math skills, and I really love them for centers. So this was like a must-have for my room, which is why I spent a lot of time making ones that were seasonal so we could switch them out and use them throughout the whole year. So this is something my kids use every day. My kids can do addition, multiplication, or subtraction in them and have a hands-on way to work on math. So within each season, there are addition, multiplication, subtraction, and there are 60 of each one. So 60 addition, 60 multiplication, 60 subtraction ones. And for each one, I have labels for the outside, so fall addition puzzles, and then I have directions. Match the problem to the answer, then write the problems on a piece of paper. I like to store 6 different puzzles in one baggie, and then on the outside, tape this baggie. So I know exactly what's in it. I store them all in one big tub by season, so I have all the fall ones together, all of the spring and all of the winter, so I can easily switch them out, and then I switch them out in their centers based on which math facts each student is working on. So I tape this on the outside, and then I put 6 puzzles in one. And these were not that time consuming actually to make. I printed them on cardstock and then cut them out with a paper cutter. So I didn't have them even be perfect. I had a little bit of an edge. So it worked out pretty well. So this, I did have someone mention that they had a hard time printing this. On both my Mac and my work PC, I just chose in print setup, print fit to page. So make sure you pick fit to page or center in page or however it's worded. That was autoed on my computer, so originally I didn't even notice that because that's my default. For a lot of people that is their default, but when you're printing, before you print 110 pages, I would feel really bad if you messed that up and accidentally printed them all off. Make sure it's selected print and then print to scale or scale to page or center in page or something like that, that it's scaling the picture down. And I would do a print preview before too. But like I said, I had no problems printing this. So let me go through real quick. Here's the addition fall ones, different colored leaves, all of the addition, subtraction, same ones. I'll just zoom through real quick, multiplication. And the labels also are a little different because I like to go just grab in, and then I know that this leaf is the multiplication too, just for kind of ease of storage too. And then the winter addition, we just pulled these out too. We just switched from fall to winter, even though it's not quite yet. And then multiplication and spring. So the addition, subtraction, and multiplication. So this will really keep your students busy, and I really like working on these. This has been something that's been really, really helpful to my students. So this was a product preview of seasonal math puzzles for addition, subtraction, and multiplication from the autismhelper.com.